In this video, we show how to support OpenFlight content in web browsers using the Unity game engine and the Flight Importer SDK for Unity from SimBlocks.io. The OpenFlight terrain in this video is a Guam database provided by AVT Simulation. This database contains a lot of houses and trees, and our goal was to be able to render this within WebGL. In order to make that happen, the key for us was to combine all of these houses into a super mesh. By generating these meshes and bashing them together, the CPU has less meshes to process during runtime, and the GPU can do its job. So by minimizing the number of batches, what we can do is export to WebGL. WebGL is, it takes full advantage of the GPU, but the CPU is running on JavaScript, but still the performance in the web browser is pretty much close to native. Also, what we've been working on is this database has an airfield, and so we've paid close attention to detail what this looks like, that the multi-texture looks good, the subfaces look good, and we have a nice airfield with the flight tower. Thank you for watching this video, and please contact our team if you would like to evaluate our Flight Importer SDK for Unity.